Hi there, it's Lukasz for the Tech Travel Geeks. I've been using the POCO F3 for a while now. If you haven't seen it yet, check out our exclusive unboxing back in April when I tried to break the code and unlock the beast. Today, I wanted to share a quick how-to video for setting up and using dual SIM cards on this device. I'll be using two of my SIM cards, my main from 3 and the spare Lebara one for some testing. Unfortunately, there's no support for SD cards in the POCO F3, so no luck for this little one. Finally, I'll use a SIM ejector tool. It doesn't really matter what you use, you can even use some paper clips if needed, as long as it's thin and pointy. The SIM card is at the bottom of the device, next to the USB-C port, so let's take it out. The SIM card tray is actually nicely labeled, so you can see where to put your SIM 1, in addition to the mention that it should face the screen, and where to put SIM 2, so let's do it. First, let's start with SIM 1 and put my main SIM card into the tray, with the connectors facing upwards and the cut in the top right corner. We can then insert the second SIM card on the back. Make sure it actually clicks in so it doesn't fall out when you insert it. Again, SIM 1 should face the screen, or just ensure that the holes are aligned correctly and you'll be fine. Once you unlock, you should see both cards connected and show the connection strand at the top right of the screen. I got 2 bars for SIM 1 and 5 bars for SIM 2 to start with. Let's go to settings to see more information about the connection by opening the SIM cards and mobile networks menu. Once you're there, you'll see both of your SIM cards with the name of the network and what appears to be the phone number. So let's click on SIM 1 and see what's happening. In there, you can see that you can not only change the display name of your card, maybe you want to call one work and another personal, but also change the display phone number. Super useful for me, so I don't need to add any blur to hide my real phone number. Thanks Xiaomi. There are a few more options here, like checking access point names, switching the preferred network type between 5G, 4G and all the other Gs, deciding if you want the phone to automatically select your preferred network, or if you want to use either voice over LTE or Wi-Fi calls. Plenty of choice, and can be done separately for each of the SIM cards, which is fantastic. Finally, you can also switch that specific SIM card on or off, in case you don't want to use it for some reason. Back to the previous screen, you can decide how your phone will handle the two SIM cards. You can either set SIM 1 as the default, so whenever you make a call, SIM 1 will be used automatically. Do the same for SIM 2, or to be prompted which SIM card to use each time you make a phone call. The way this works is, when you want to make a call, you just get a pop-up message which asks you which SIM card to use for that call. In my case, 3 or Lebara. What's great is that you can also set a preference for each of your contacts. So you can have work contacts automatically using this work SIM card and the personal contacts using the private SIM card. Luckily, no matter if you selected SIM 1, SIM 2 or Ask Me Every Time, receiving calls is done automatically. You don't need to select anything each time. When someone calls you, you'll just see that your call is incoming via your first or second network, and it will display the name you selected. Then, without making any changes, when I get a call to my second SIM card, I'll just see that it's incoming via Lebara. No other changes needed. Happy days. You can also select the defaults for data. Here, you only have 2 options, either SIM 1 or SIM 2. There's no Ask Me Each Time option, because your phone is permanently connected to the internet and it wouldn't make sense to ask you what to use each time. So you can pick the SIM card which has better connection or more data and switch it when needed. On this screen you can also disable data altogether if needed, and in advanced settings you can switch roaming on or off. We might do a separate video on this one soon as well. And that's it for this quick how-to video. If you found it useful, leave us a like or a comment below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks to see more videos from us. But for now, thanks for watching!